Today we're working on the boss man's house. We're going to be installing a new light for this UV housing and a new ballast. First, we're going to shut off the water and drain the whole house. Now this one's a little different. Usually I would replace the quartz sleeve, but in this case he just wanted to get the light bulb replaced. So I flushed out the system, got all any mucky, dirty water out of there, and I installed the ballast right after. And if you notice that sediment filter right next to me, yeah, that's pretty bad. We're going to be replacing that. After the UV light's in, we're going to plug this into the ballast, and then we're going to start on getting the sediment filter changed. Now, I've seen a lot of people not relieve the pressure out of these. There's usually a red button right on top. If you notice there, my handle was a little too small for that, so I had to use my channel locks, and luckily I got it. Sometimes they're a pain. Don't forget to lube up the O-ring to put it back on. This can also be a pain in the ass. Sometimes they don't seal at all. After getting the water on, plugging it back in, the UV light's on. Got a solid 365 days for this light, and I'll see you in the next one.